Yeah, that's good. They say scared. Do we have a lot of guns today?
What
we
you
have
introduced
we have
first?
Mickey Mouse eggs have opened. And we have Star Wars box. We have
Star Wars, all from where? All these, they are from where?
Jurong Point.
Zaini, right?
Zaini. Then I have two Hello Kitty box.
Okay.
Daddy. And all these are my things that
This is the latest
Oh,
Zaini
bye.
one. Okay.
Then let's start opening.
Okay.
Open the red one. Wow, they're very hard.
What do you have got?
Hunted X-ray.
This is the Halloween one, is it? Mickey Mouse Halloween.
Hunted Mickey Mouse X-ray skin.
Haunted. This is haunted Mickey Mouse
X-ray skin.
with a X-ray skeleton, is it? Wearing a skeleton suit. Yeah, this is the Halloween set. Yes, Halloween collection.
I'm opening another
The
one.
second one.
I think I stick
Do it on the plate here.
Oh, yes.
No, everything is falling all over the place already.
I think I
Come,
need to
come,
make
I help you.
chocolate nail.
Okay.
Dun, dun. Dee, dun, dun, dun.
Do it. Don't let it drop all over the place.
Chocolate flying duck egg. I have two covers with me. The X. Pluto wearing a pirate hat.
Is it? Yes, it's Pluto.
Wearing a pirate hat.
Wearing a pirate hat. Okay. What else you have got?
Okay, chocolate. Yes, I did make a crack. I made a nice big crack. I in the box. Something else.
Okay, better start clearing this away from falling.
Ooh! Ah!
The same one?
Now you have two. You look like a friend. His friend.
Okay.
X-ray Mickey friend. I got a friend of him.
Okay.
Now I start opening Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Okay.
Minnie.
No, show your friends the packaging first.
I
This is
open another
the Minnie Mouse. Annie, is it? No, Minnie. Yeah.
Minnie Mouse and Daisy's
Okay.
shop.
Don't open everything. Just take out the eggs.
Oh, eat chocolate.
Not too much.
Oh, eat chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't he?
Can you take it out? So, see the chocolate. Oh, look what you're cleaning on the table.
No, I don't have any.
Don't have any? But why are you wiping on the table?
No, I need tissue.
I gave you some tissues first.
I need some more tissue. My hand. Like
Yeah. Wipe the table as well. Clean up the table.
None. You. I said stampo. What's this?
Oh, we have got here.
Eh? This is not Minnie Mouse. Is it?
What's this?
What's this Minnie Mouse?
It's a sticker. Is it a new one? Come on, let me see. What you have got? I think this is the new one. Okay, this is the latest collection from Zaini. Oops. Okay.
It's some of Glandy some days, right?
Yep.
Don't need this. Help me.
Come.
Can you please?
Come, let me do it. Put the little ribbon.
And what's the sticker?
The sticker later, then do it. Okay. This is the.
Oh, that's surprising. Daddy,
Okay.
show another one. There's both. Daddy, there's another one.
This one frozen, right? Yes, frozen.
I
Okay.
start opening the.
Open halfway, yeah. Just take out the eggs. You see, the good thing with the new Zaini packaging, the eggs, you see, you don't have any chocolates. But this one is the old packaging. You see, you have some chocolate stick here, right?
Anna.
You got Anna. Is she the famous one?
Yes.
Who is the famous one?
Anna and Elsa.
Elsa is the famous one, right?
Han Solo, Olaf, the
Aha.
reindeer, also,
Anna.
and
You've got Anna here. Okay.
I'm going to open this one also. Okay. Open halfway only. We have the friend X3. Ooh! This is the monster! Got a monster.
Yeah, but we forgot to introduce the new packaging. There's only one X, right? The old Zaini packaging, they have 3 X.
Oh,
Okay.
monster!
Ah, you have the monster. What's the name of this monster? What is it called? You don't know?
Leave the comment section below.
Okay.
That's Team Farm of the Survive. Open. I saw already.
You sure?
Yes, I showed
No, you need to show it this way. Clear. Okay.
Cutting.
Yes.
I also, this is Fire Rescue Zaini. Survive that. I got this spoon now. Whoa, this is a fire rescue team. I'll start doing it together. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, there's no wheels. This one is which one?
This one the tractor, is it?
Oh, this one.
Okay, let me show.
Sticker.
Came off.
Oh, stop Spider-Man!
Yes.
Doing.
Okay.
I saw very closely.
Yeah. This is from Planes Fire and Rescue. Okay.
I think I got it. I don't need. Super. Jane.
Who's this?
Jane. The comment section.
What's the name? You don't know?
Leave the comment section below.
Okay. What else now? What's this? What is this?
She's funny. Did you have funny say?
Yeah.
Luckily you caught it. Dad! What thing is this?
What happened to these eggs? No, the dustbin is there. You see? What happened to these eggs? Oh my god. I think, I don't know. But is it, let me check, is it expired? No, it's not expired. It's year 18 February. I don't know what's wrong with it. Don't. We do it on there's a dustbin. Crush it over there. Dustbin. Crush it into the dustbin.
Top smash?
No, don't smash it that way.
I think you need to crack.
You can't?
Don't go.
You need my help?
Take this.
Okay.
Wet hammer! Good goose!
Let me squash it up for you. Let me squash it up. Okay.
This egg broken!
Wait. Let me clean it up
There's
for you.
something wrong with this egg.
Yeah.
Oh, by the... I think it... what? Eraser.
Eraser?
Eraser.
Okay.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader? Oh, yes. It's a Darth Vader eraser. Okay.
How come?
The eggs, is it the same? The same? What happened?
What happened?
What
Another...
happened to the eggs? Oh, you squash it. Do it here, do it here.
What happened to the egg? What happened to them? Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. This is better. This is nicer. Right? Darth Vader.
So funny, right?
Again? Let's see. What's wrong with the eggs? Oh. You're messing everything up. You mess everything up. Yeah.
Leave the comment section below.
Who is this?
Leave the comment section below.
Wow. Crystal clear. See all the chocolate all everywhere.
Look at all the eggs so far. Oh, like that one. What happened to all the eggs?
You need to clean up here, you see. Everywhere there's chocolate now.
Dude, this is better.
Is this? Oh, this is better. What's happened?
What happened
This is
to the
okay,
top
yeah.
egg? What happened to the top
I don't know what's wrong with them.
Those
The other one.
eggs.
Crush it here, not on the table.
Ding, 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 ding. You have hat. I got so much food. I let it down. Another eraser. This one, leave the comment section below.
You know who is it? Let me see.
Leave the comment section below.
Let's see.
That's much better.
This is, I think I know this. They call it what? Boba Fett or something like that. Is it Boba Fett? Something like that. Okay?
I don't
I don't
know.
really know the name. Because your daddy don't really watch Star Wars. Okay? You squash it this way again. You're making a mess. It's so messy on the table. Chocolate all over the place already. Can't? Look what you've got. R2D2. Is it? Eraser?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader again.
Then we have another one. Another pet brother. A friend.
The clean up all this. What you've got?
Leave the comment section.
Ah, this one you don't know? Chihuahua something one, is it?
Hi, it's the nasty this weekend.
Push it down. All the chocolate.
Hello Kitty sand. Eggs.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty in the beach.
Oh, so cute. Hello Kitty in the beach. Why would you say that? So cute, the Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is nice, right? Cute, right?
I smashed it again.
So cute.
I smashed it again. I smashed inside. So far. Look.
Ooh, it's all over the place. Clean up. Hands off, hands off, hands off. Clean up first. Too many chocolate all over the place.
Look. Hello Kitty Halloween. Dang, dang, dang. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty Halloween? Sure not. Oh yeah, there's a Halloween here. The pumpkin. Hello Kitty Halloween.
How come everything?
The eggs again like that? Why is it always the eggs?
Light brown.
Yeah,
See?
it's not expired the box, but I don't know why the eggs is like that. Can somebody explain or not?
How come all like brown already?
Yeah.
I'm interested. It's not. How come all like brown? You can see.
Okay, I better start clearing all these eggs first.
Hello Kitty with an apple.
Hello Kitty with a apple.
Hello expired. How come it's still? Ooh, again, again.
Yeah, why? How come the color of the chocolate is like that? I don't understand.
I can't understand. Also, that's what a Hello Kitty with a heart.
With a heart. Wow, it's nice. Okay, I think we should start. I start clearing away some so that you can start arranging and show your subscriber what you have got.
How come brown color like brown again?
I don't know. It's from the same box, right? All three of them are the same. Don't know what happened.
Haven't expired yet.
No, it's not expired. It's new.
It's February. February then. Hello Kitty no beach.
Okay.
How come all like this?
Can you help me to clean up? Then later we start arranging.
How
Show
come?
show your fans what you have got.
How come all like brown already? How come?
Yeah, all the eggs here. Eat all the
You
chocolate.
give me a box. I need a box.
Don't have to. Just strip it down. Nicely. Aim it nicely.
How come all like brown color
Okay, the box
already?
like that. Come. No, you don't mix. You don't mix with all this. Okay?
How come all like brown?
I don't know.
I think it's not expired yet.
It's not. It's new.
It's new.
We're going to strip the other side. Strip it over here.
Why? It expired already. Haven't expired. Why? How come like brown?
I don't know, son.
We opened already. It's expired. Long one.
What do you mean?
Long time then
It's
expired.
not expired. But
Yes. It's not. I need.
can you clean up first?
Yes.
Clean up the table. Oh, the chocolate is all over the place.
All the chocolates and I'm cleaning. How come all like this one?
I don't know.
How come? How come all the chocolate only a few, not very round?
Maybe you can tell your tell your subscriber, ask Zaini what happened.
I'm Zaini, what happened to the eggs? How why like this? And we need to clean up, okay? Subscribers.
Come, let me do it. Let me do it.
I help.
You're making a mess now.
Okay, they said okay.
Come, sit down, sit down, sit down. Help me to arrange it, please.
How come all like this one? How come all like this one?
Start arranging it for me.
Okay. I also wipe the table.
Okay, come, let's place it. No, don't need to wipe everything. Just wipe the corner. Okay, stop. Now arrange it nicely. Okay, show your subscriber what we have.
How come all like brown already?
I don't know. See?
I think let's put the family together. Who has a family together, okay?
Okay.
Because they are friends.
Okay.
Ooh. Nana will be in doing the girls. I think we can put them in a different place. We put the girls over here and the boys over here. Half slice.
Okay.
Cause not.
Boys and girls, right? You
Yeah.
separate them.
Let's have a attack challenge. Let's
Okay.
have an attack challenge. Hiya. I need something else. Stick first so they know where they are going. What the stickers?
The stickers are below here later. Okay?
Okay. How come no eyes? Later she will look with no eyes. I need the stickers.
No, leave it. Just sit down first. Have we
Then I
finished?
A battle. Ding. Fly Wrinkles! Make way for me, going down. Yeah. No. Let's drop it down already. Yeah. Ding, 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 Bring it on, Douglas! Look out! Super drop! Aya! Boing! No! Jen! Don't! No! This stop! Boom! Yay! That's good, guys. Bye bye. One thing for our channel. Bye.